We have made it to week 3 of Oscars month here on the Create channel. This occasion will be marking the first Academy Award winning film to be presented on the program. Our film tonight comes from 1950, a year stacked with impressive performances and incredible movies. Sunset Boulevard, Father of the Bride, Harvey, All About Eve, Born Yesterday, and more all contended for the top awards that year. Through all the competition, though, it was Jose Ferrer who took home the Academy Award for Best Actor in tonight's film, Cyrano de Bergerac. This is the first English-language film version of the Edmond Rostand drama of the same name. Ferrer plays the titular Cyrano, complete with a giant prosthetic nose that truly defines the character. He had played the same role on Broadway, receiving a Tony Award, which meant he became the first actor to win both an Oscar and a Tony for the same role. Pretty cool. The play and the movie both launched Ferrer into stardom, and he became the first Hispanic actor to win an Academy Award. With all that being said, we hope you enjoy Cyrano de Bergerac on the Create channel.